Hi, Jack.
Hi, Joy.
What you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to get my pictures taken and I don't like it.
You weren't too bad, just, you know, this tongue thing.
Yeah.
Why is the tongue out all the time?
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, well, nothing to be nervous about. Just because I'm sticking this thing in your face.
Okay, I'll try.
So Jack.
I'm looking for a new home.
Well, you are. Yeah, you kind of got displaced by babies.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think of the babies?
Well, I thought they were okay. They just didn't like me.
They didn't like you?
No.
Aww. Well.
Oh, I thought they were okay, but they just didn't like me.
Aww. Did they try to bite your tongue?
Yeah, they pulled my tail, my ears.
And your tongue.
And my tongue.
Okay. Well, we're going to find you a home without kids, because...
That would be good.
Yeah, I agree. I wouldn't want to live with them either, so I understand
anyway,
this.
I'm here. I'm waiting.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.